The Live Message feature allows you to create both handwritten animated GIF images and self-made emojis. Now write or draw on the Live Message window. When you turn on the device, the soft buttons will appear on the bottom of the screen. To switch between the Home and the Apps screen, swipe upwards or downwards, or tap the Home or the Back button. Multi-window lets you run two apps at the same time in a split-screen view. Drag the Edge panel handle towards the center of the screen, tap the plus icon and tap Create App Pair. Select two apps from the list. Now you can launch two apps at the same time. Bixby Voice is the new interface to help you use your smartphone more effectively. To launch Bixby Voice, press and hold the Bixby key, say what you want, and release your finger. The Galaxy Note 8 features two 12MP cameras, a main camera with a wide-angle view and a telephoto camera with a 2x optical zoom. You can quickly zoom in and out to get bright and clear photos, even on a faraway subject. To use the Live Focus feature, tap Live Focus on the preview screen. By sliding the background blur adjustment bar to the left or right, you can adjust the blur level of the background.